Hello guys, we are live. I think we are live. Yes, we are live. I have a very great message for you guys because I have something really like today I'm getting my messenger is like crazy going all the time because I got those messages in about the success stories, how the people are rock and roll with the 799, and I made decision I was gonna do something really extraordinary for everybody, but it's just really limited time, maybe a few hours. If you are watching this video, you are the lucky one. If you haven't seen this video, well, the offer is gone. I was gonna give you an extra because we want to test how it really works. Is it really works only for $7.99 or it works for the newbie as well? All right, so what we're gonna do is, as you know, probably I have 7 training courses out there, 7 of them. Okay, started from the value ladder, subscribe, customer engagement, Facebook ads, back to school, $7.99, of course, the winning product guide, and Monopoly is the biggest one for $997. Okay, but you don't have to pay for that. I will gonna give you all 7 courses, all 7 of them, if you enroll in a quick cash coaching. This is the craziest thing. Okay, when you enroll in the quick cash coaching, the cost there is $109. Okay, if you enroll in a quick cash coaching now, in a few hours, you are gonna get all bunch of them, all bunch of those 7 courses. You are gonna get it. It's almost $3,000 in the value. Okay, the course builder is there, right? The course builder is there. I just forgot. Okay, so there is almost $3,000 value you get for $109. And this is just the beginning, okay? Because you are gonna be in a quick cash coaching group where all those crazy sellers are, who are just, you can just scroll down to the Facebook group there and you can see all those great results, okay? You can be one of them. And it's just $109. And again, if you have seen this video, don't come back to me tomorrow and say, Andrew, I saw yesterday the video, you said about $109, I can get all the courses. Yes, I said today, but you have to take the action right now because I am expecting about 10 to 20 people who will be the action takers and come grab the package, and would be really cool to see how it works for you. All right, guys? So everything what I have, all my courses, $109, you are in a quick cash coaching group. All right? That's the bundle. That's the insane, I know, but that's why I'm taking just very short window for this. You saw it, grab it, win it. Okay, if not, then well, maybe next time, you know, maybe next time will be, I don't know, we'll see. But the results are crazy good. I want just to give somebody else this opportunity to rock and roll in this summertime. Really nice time, weather nice, you can travel around, you can do whatever you want to do if you just know some simple steps how to use the eBay. All right, take care guys, and click the link above. Okay, bye bye.